Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: hangar level, resources, and tech access. Once confirmed, open the research panel and prioritize the stealth branch. This unlocks the F-117 path. Make sure to purchase the basic stealth blueprint immediately to begin crafting progress. You should also activate any boost items or clan research bonuses now, because time-limited multipliers stack with your crafting queue. Begin a minimal build cycle right away to avoid idle timers, and keep progression continuous toward the F-117. Once the blueprint is active, focus on producing intermediate components needed for final assembly. Queue fuselage, avionics, and stealth coating modules in parallel to reduce bottlenecks, and assign 2 specialized engineers to the hardest tasks so progress is steady. Make sure to use longer A-tower production cycles during offline times and consume 3x research boosts when you stack multiple upgrades to shorten timers. Check Marketplace for rare materials and trade duplicates. This prevents a stall in mid-game crafting and keeps you on schedule. To finish, move all completed parts to the advanced assembly bay and start final assembly. It requires 6 specific components and sufficient credits. During the 30-minute calibration sortie, monitor stealth signature and tune coatings. This improves in-game performance and reduces repair time. If assembly stalls, reset the queue to reclaim parts, reassign engineers to critical slots, and request clan assistance for instant materials. Make sure to double-check your inventory limits and clear space before reattempting, so you don't waste time or resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.